Today we are going to be downloading and importing the Minesanity mod pack for Minecraft Pocket Edition. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to go to download the files, link in description, download the resource pack and the behavior pack, then just go to your files app, files, and if you come over here and search Minesanity, you'll see the Minesanity add-on pack and the res pack. The res pack is the resource pack and the add-on pack is the behavior pack. So click on any one of them first, but it's not going to work. Spoilers, it's not going to work. Let's wait for it to load up. Should load up fairly fast, Should. Wait, what? Why is it taking forever? Today. I'm recording a video today. Okay, it's loading up. Still loading. And guys, while that's loading, I'm telling you that next video is gonna be on Subnautica. Okay, wait. Import started. It failed to import. It doesn't work. See. So first I'll tell you what to do, but first let me tell you what's the next video. It's on Subnautica. It's how to get the diamonds fast, safely, Good, I'll tell you in that video, but for now let's get this done. So I'll tell you how to fix this. Just go to your app store and go to the search and search browser file manager. Oh, type that incorrect. Okay, browser file manager. Wait for that to load up. Come on, let's load this up fast. I am upstairs and the router is downstairs, so I think that's a problem. Let me just get this. Oh man, I can't connect up here. Okay, I can. Okay, go. This is the second one. Browser and document manager. I already have it, so I'm just going to press open. Just download it, and I already have these in, so I'm just going to delete this. Delete. Now what you want to do is click on this plus icon on the top left, not the one with the folder down, only the plus. Click that. Import files. After that, we're gonna be just okay, here we are. Minesanity add-on pack and res pack. Just click on this, click on anyone, and then click on this. Then just press open in and Minecraft and wait for it to load up. Yeah. Just wait for it to load up. Loading. Okay, import started. It will say failed for me. Okay, but because it's a duplicate, but because I already have it, but it will work for you. I already have it, so yeah. Do the same for the res pack and it's gonna work. So that's all for today, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.